Hello everyone, my name is Harshvardhan Yadav. Today's date is 29 December 2021. Today's topic is why string is immutable in Java. So first of all discuss why string is immutable, what is exactly meaning in the real world. Before is proceeding the further with the views of immutability, let's just take a look into string class and functionality before coming to any conclusion. First of all, how string is work. String basically work on string, then yes is equal to in semicolon in any word knowledge and given knowledge, and this is an usual create the string containing knowledge and assigns its a reference. str is simple enough, it's perform some functions. Let's how to below statement to work. How is statement work in actual? This appeals a string based to str, but wait, how it is possible? Since string's object is immutable, well to surprise it is. When above statement is executed, the VM takes the value of string str, that is knowledge, and appends the base given a value knowledge base. Now since string are immutable, when VM cannot assign with value of str, so he creates a new string object. He gives value knowledge base. It gives it as a reference str. At the point of one above, we have two string object. The first one created with value of knowledge and pointed by yes, and the second one is knowledge base, the pointed by str. But technically we have three string object, the third one being a lateral based on concat statement. Let's see, in Java string are immutable, and obvious questions to quite prevalent and introduced. Why string are designed immutable in Java? uh, Immutable in object whose are internal state remains the constant after being internally created. It means that once the object has been assigned in variable, we can either update the reference of muted and internal state by means. We have a separate article that discuss immutable objects in detail. For more information, read the immutable in Java. Why string is immutable in Java? This key benefit the keeping these the class and immutable are catching security and synchronization and performance. What is string pool? A string is the most widely used data structure. Caching the string laterals and reusing them saves a lot of heap space because different string variables refer to the same object in string pool. String in turn pool the several exactly purpose. The string pool is the special memory region where the strings are stored in JVM. Since strings are immutable in Java, the JVM optimize the amount of memory allocated for them by storing only copy of lateral string in pool. This process is called enderning. Because of the presence of string pool in presenting the example, two different variable are pointing a same string object from the pool, saving crucial memory resource. We have separate article dedicated to string pool for more information over article. Security. The string widely used in Java applications store sensitive pieces, the information like usernames, passwords, collections, URLs, network connections, etc. It also exhaustively by the JVM classes and leaders while loading the classes. Hence, security strings can be crucial regarding security. The whole application is in general. Uh, The remember the incredible the source of call is have reference the undername of user object. If string are mutable, then by the time we execute the update, we can't be sure the string we received even after performing security checks would be safe. The underworld, the caller method still has a reference and can change the string between integrity checks, thus making our query prone to SQL injection. In the case the mutable string element to the degradations of security of over time. It could be happen to the string username invisible the another thread, which could then change in value after the integrity check. In general, mutability comes to the rescue the case because it is easier to operate and sensitive code value when value doesn't change because of where interleaving the operation might affect on reason. Synchronization being mutable automatically makes the string lead thread safe since won't be changed after access to multiple thread. Hence, mutable object in general can be shared across multiple threads running simultaneously. They are also thread safe because of thread changes the value. They instead of modifying the same, the new strings would be created in string pool and string multi-threading. Thank you so much.